If I went broke tomorrow, here's what I would do. Number one is I would get into affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is yet, honestly, you've been living under a rock, but it's essentially where if you try somebody's product or somebody's service and you talk about it and somebody clicks your link, you get a percentage of the sell. And the reason I would recommend that is whenever, and this is like 4 or 5 years ago, I knew nothing about online marketing. I didn't know about email copywriting, freelancing. I didn't know about any of this stuff, but I was able to set up niche blogs, and I don't recommend you do that. You can use social media now, but I was able to start making money. And I actually remember the first time that I made my first money online, I was stuck in traffic coming home from one of my jobs that I had at the time. And by the time I left and clocked out of my job and went home, I made $40. And that was when I realized, oh my God, you can actually make money online. And the reason I like affiliate marketing so much is you can literally take other people's content. So let's say that you want to affiliate for me. You could take some of my tweets, because I've seen somebody on Twitter, they're an affiliate of mine. They literally take my tweets, copy paste them, and put an affiliate link. Now, of course, I want to add this caveat. It's all about being creative. So the more creative you are, the more money you're going to make, the more attention you're going to generate. So yes, you can just copy paste people's tweets that you're promoting their product for, but the more tangible and the more creative you can be, the more money you're going to make. Example, sharing your personal transformation. So focus on having your story. So if you actually have used a product, you've actually used a service, you could sit down and make a video like I'm making for you right now and share your actual experience. And then at the end, you have to make sure to tell them to click down in the description below, or if you're on Twitter or TikTok, obviously just tell them to click that link and you're going to get a percentage of it. However, I don't think affiliate marketing is the be all end all, because this literally has happened to me twice. I start making some good money as an affiliate and then they change their terms of service and that income literally goes to zero. Which is why, yes, use affiliate marketing, but on the back end, you need to be building an actual skill such as email copywriting. Because with email copywriting, or any skill that you have for that matter, you have control. You can take on new clients, you can get better at it, and build your own business. And speaking of building your own business, if you're interested in learning the skill of email copywriting, click the link down in the description below, and I'm going to show you step by step how to build a landing page, how to write profitable emails in less than 10 minutes, how to sell at every email, and a bunch of other stuff that you need to know. But click that link down below and I'll talk to you in the next video. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and click right here. Otherwise, subscribe and I will see you in the next video.